Hi, this is Stella. I am a Chinese teacher from Guangdong. First, Cantonese is my native language. I can also speak Mandarin. My English is basic, but it is just enough for simple daily conversations. Now, I will give you a brief introduction of myself. I focus to daily oral Cantonese teaching for beginners. We will practice real-life conversations, such as greeting others, and help you speak Cantonese confidently and fluently. I am a patient and family person, so I'm looking forward to meeting you in my classes. Hi，大家好，我係 Stella，我嚟自中國廣東，粵語係我嘅母語，我都識講普通話。我嘅英語屬於基礎水平，我嘅課程主要係面對粵語初學者，通過日常交流，從而幫助佢哋更加有信心同埋講得更加流利。我係一個好有耐性嘅人，希望可以喺課堂上與大家相處。